Hey y'all, before we get started, don't forget to check out my website. It'll be linked down in the description box below, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Alright, so you want to start by cleaning off your work area, especially if you're making lip gloss to sell, because nobody wants their lip gloss made in a dirty workspace. Now you want to start by measuring out your Versagel into a bowl. I recommend using a metal one just because it's a lot easier for cleanup and it's reusable. Also, the gloss base I'm using is from TKB Trading, but you can get yours from wherever. You can use whatever oil you want for the lip gloss. I personally use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E oil, and I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of each, but it really depends on how big your lip gloss batch is. Make sure you mix your oils together before you add pigments to avoid separation later on. Some people like to add their pigments to the Versagel and then mix it, then add the oil, but I like to add my pigments into the oil first and then mix it together, just so I can make sure it's the right color and there's no lumps if I'm using mica powder. Since this is my brand new golden hour lip gloss, I'm of course going to be using gold pigment for the coloring, and it's also really pigmented with gold glitter, so when you apply it to your lips it's clear, but you'll have gold glitter on your lips. When you add your oil to the Versagel, you want to make sure you add small amounts and mix slowly until you get your desired consistency, and also to avoid air bubbles when you're mixing. As you can see, the lip gloss is still pretty clear and it's not exactly the golden color I want, so I did go ahead and add some more oil and some more gold pigment. You want to mix until you get a smooth consistency, unless you're going for a thicker lip gloss. In that case, you want to make sure you don't over mix it. If you want a less thick lip gloss, then you want to add more oil, but make sure you don't add too much oil because then you'll have to add more Versagel to balance it out. I'm not exactly sure why, but for this lip gloss I decided to make it cake batter scented, and I kind of use a lot of the flavoring oil because I really like the scent to come through. I recommend using Get Suckered flavoring oils because they're very scented, and also you want to make sure you mix it very well when you're doing this part because the lip gloss will taste bitter if not. If you're just starting out your lip gloss business and you're looking for a good place to get cheap lip gloss tubes, I recommend going to Amazon because you can get like 100 squeeze tubes for only $7, which is a pretty good deal. Some people prefer to scoop lip gloss into the syringe from the top and then fill the lip gloss tubes that way, but I find this way is a lot less messy and I recommend doing it this way. It was kind of hard to make sure I got the bottom corners of this lip gloss tube, especially because it was 15 milliliters. So I just did like the squeeze technique where you fill a little and then squeeze it, then fill it up the rest of the way, and it worked a lot better. Also remember to fill up the lip gloss tube slowly so you can avoid air bubbles. I was kind of in a rush, so I had air bubbles in my lip gloss. And that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to check out my website. It'll be linked in the description box below. Also, subscribe to this channel and like this video. And follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more behind the scenes. Thanks for watching. Bye!